Alright, this is an overview of the Mr. Christmas Lights and Songs of Christmas light controller. It's a light controller because it synchronizes the order and duration of the lights to music. This is the unit here. As you can see, a lot of plugs. It has 6 channels basically for 6 plugs. So 6 sets of controls per se. This is the control unit. You have the volume control. You also have 3 different sets of songs: Siberian, rock and roll, all the songs together. You have multiplex, unison, and steady. In terms of the light control, you can also skip the songs. That's your power button. Now, these are what I have set up. This is a set of berry lights. I don't know if it's purple. The other one is multicolor. Icicle lights. These are LED. Berry lights are LED as well. Second set of berry lights. These are 2 reindeer display lights. I had to change the lights inside from LED to incandescent because they had spoiled last Christmas. They are connected to one extension cord so that I can sync them so that they can work together as one. This is a snowflake light. These are a set of snowman incandescent lights from previous, well, those are very old, right? So now we'll have a demonstration of how this unit operates. Let's get the lights. I'll simply skip the song. Now we can tell as well that the volume gets rather loud, so you have to take that in consideration. This is all the volume. Alright, let's get the lights. And there we have it. Mr. Christmas Lights and Songs of Christmas light controller.